Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss another interesting topic, that is illustration essay. So let's have a look on the contents first. First of all, we will define illustration essay. Secondly, its different types and purposes. Thirdly, its structure. And fourthly, we will relate common topics and examples. So let's define illustration essay. An illustration essay is also known as example essay, and it is used to provide demonstrations and ample examples to justify thesis statement. And its purpose is to make something more clear for the reader, but not to sway readers' opinions. इट मीन्स कि इलस्ट्रेटिव राइटिंग या इलस्ट्रेशन ऐसे एक ऐसा ऐसे होता है जिसमें राइटर का पर्पस किसी कॉम्प्लेक्स फिनोमेना को ज़्यादा रीडेबल या उसको ज़्यादा कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव जो है वो बनाना होता है ताकि रीडर उसको ज़्यादा आसानी से समझ सके. There are different types of illustration including personal, cause and effect, process, compare and contrast, definition, narrative and expository. It means when the writer's purpose is to relate something on the personal perspective, like topics including my hobby, my leisure time, my profession, my passion, my hero in history. So in all such type of essays, the writer can use multiple examples to make it more clear, to make his point of view more clear to the reader. Secondly, cause and effect. If the writer's purpose is to narrate cause and effect relationship between different entities or issues, he may use illustrative mode too. Thirdly, process. If the purpose of writer is to relate processes of different softwares, applications, or gadgets, so he may use the illustrative mode too in this type of writing too. Compare and contrast. If the writer's purpose is to compare and contrast two entities, like if he wants to compare democracy and dictatorship, he may use multiple examples, practical examples to clarify the concept or the idea presented by him. Definition. So whenever terminologies are defined, ample examples are provided and must be provided to make it more clear for the reader too. Narrative. So in storytelling theme line narratives, in narrative mode, illustration is also done to make the ideas more clear for the reader. Last one is expository writing. So if the purpose of the writer is to expose a phenomena, a topic to the reader, so he may use illustrative mode too. I mean, he may use ample examples, multiple, diverse, but practical examples to make his idea, to expose his idea clearly. इट मीन्स कि इलस्ट्रेशन की डिफरेंट टाइप्स हैं जो कि डायरेक्टली डिपेंड करती हैं राइटर के डिफरेंट पर्पसेस पे. अगर राइटर का पर्पस जो है वो पर्सनल पर्सपेक्टिव्स पे राइट करना है तो वो इलस्ट्रेटिव मोड को यूज़ कर सकता है, जिसमें वो बहुत से एग्जांपल्स को प्रोवाइड करेगा ताकि उसके पर्सनल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू या पर्सनल जो उसके लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक्स हैं, जो पर्सनल ओपिनियंस हैं, उनके बारे में अच्छी तरह रीडर को समझा सके. इसी तरह काज एंड इफेक्ट, प्रोसेस, कंपेयर, कंट्रास्ट, डेफिनेशन, नैरेटिव और एक्सपोजिटरी डिफरेंट पर्पसेस के लिए राइटर जो है वो इलस्ट्रेटिव मोड को यूटिलाइज कर सकता है. Let's discuss its structure. First of all, there must be an introductory paragraph having thesis statement. Then there must be at least 5 supportive paragraphs in illustrative writing or illustration essay, and each paragraph must contain 3 practical relatable examples related to that topic sentence, actually, to make it more clear for the reader to understand the concept. Lastly, last paragraph must be related to conclusion, means some providing summary of the main idea or theme of the essay. Now let's have a look on the different topics for illustration essays, including environmental and social aspects. Environmental aspect can be discussed in the form of climate change, global warming, prevailing diseases, industrial revolution, cleanliness, deforestation. On the other hand, social aspect may include several topics including unemployment, media addiction, moral degradation, tourism, fictional and political stances. I hope this video will be beneficial for you to understand the concept of illustration essay. Thank you.